Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Doogee S40 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find apps and notifications. So now we have to scroll down to the very bottom, tap on advanced and scroll down again to the special app access. Here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install something. So of course you can change it, so if you'd like to, for example, allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. After getting back, you can see that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually your device on the risk. So remember about that. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. And as you can see, the Chrome is not allowed. Of course it will work the same with all other apps. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Doogee S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.